Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard, and on today's episode of Howard. Sorry, let's go again. Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard, and on today's episode of Howard's World, we're giving you another challenge. You know, it's been a while since I did a challenge, but today I'm doing a challenge with Alex. I don't think I have to explain it. From It's in the Box, it's the What's in the Box challenge, or Guess What's in the Box challenge, or whatever. If you're slow or if you don't watch YouTube, I'm going to explain it to you. It's basically, they put stuff in the box, right? They put stuff in the box, right? And you're supposed to put your hand through here and guess what's in the box by just feeling it, you know? I feel like it's not hard to understand. So if you didn't, go back a little and watch it again. Alex will be stupid behind the camera right now. But yeah guys, so let's get right into the video. I have all my stuff right here. Alex have all my stuff right there, so I'm gonna do something real quick so you don't see me yet. And yeah, that's the setup. So let's go. You ready? Ready. So like, comment, share, subscribe.
Like, comment, share.
Do whatever you heard. Look stupid?
Yeah.
Look stupid?
Yeah.
God damn it.
Alright, so the first one.
Yeah. So, guys, I think Alex has really ridiculous ones, but I have some good ones for him. I ain't gonna lie.
First one is really simple.
You put it in there already?
No. What?
Oh, that's on. Hey. Alright. Go. Bible. Is that Bible now? Pretty sure it's a Bible. Alright. Contestant number 2. Alright, let's go. First thing, you ready? Put on the box, no, sir. Please. I have a lot of stuff in here for you, dog. I'm gonna choose the best one to do. Light work. Alright, let's go.
Can I see it?
No, you can see? Alright. Go on. Put on the phone and I'll do the phone. Yeah, clear enough the box. What's that?
What's the controller, bro?
Alright, bet. Cool. Fine. We'll start light.
I like almost like grab the things.
Alright.
Next one.
Yeah, next one. Go on. Play-Doh.
Nah.
Sponge.
No.
This is bread. I'm bread, no.
Yeah.
What the hell, no? Yo, the thing is that you feel like bread. When I say like, I'm gonna give me like a piece of bread, but I give the whole slice. That was low key kind of challenging, you know. I got you. Hey, don't look at the box, brother. Go on. Ah! God damn it. What? Oh. Napkin? It's napkin.
No.
Wait. I know it's what. What is something name, brother? Wait. It's flowers.
What kind of flower?
What do you mean what kind of flowers? Man of flowers.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna get all of them, Alex. You don't understand it. I have a third eye right here. You think you're good? This. Go. That's you.
It's a flashlight, dog.
No. You see what they did about? You see what they did about, brother?
Oh,
Give me. Give me. Just give me the reasoning, brother. Just give me the reasoning, brother.
Come on, oh, you get flashlight.
Bro, you need to.
Just done the reasoning.
You don't understand. I have several cameras in this room that link directly to my eye sockets.
Alright, go on.
I'm not doing that, dog. It's me ahí, no le digas. It's me ahí,
You're trying to hard over.
Alright, just.
Alright, cool. You get it right.
No le digas.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's me ahí, Alex. What's that question? It's me ahí.
Alright, I got you now.
Alright.
Plot twist, bro.
Plot twist.
I can see through the mask.
You can see through the mask.
Yeah.
You free?
Yeah. Bro? No.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, here we go.
That's something.
Here we go. Alright! No!
Bro, this is too easy, bro.
No, I swear to God, they're not supposed to.
Alright. No, I'm gonna miss something. Alright, no.
Come on.
Something from the kitchen. Alright, not giving no hints.
No.
Is this no? This feel like Play-Doh. Is Play-Doh this?
Nope.
It's Play-Doh, Alex.
Nope.
Clay?
Nah. Come on,
Is that been up? Is that been up tennis ball? Is that?
No, it's not.
I can smell it.
Nah.
This feel like Play-Doh, dog. Alright, we can get some water.
Roll points.
Yeah. Oh my guess this is the smallest apple in life. Oh my guess apple is the smallest.
Shit!
Oh my guess apple is the smallest apple in life, dog. God damn it. Alright. I got you now.
Listen, I can't believe this.
You can't get on it.
I'm gonna get one round just for the video.
No, don't get move yourself. You can use a size for
Ready?
one. Yeah.
Let the breadfruit is out.
No, sir.
Hold on, alright, hold on.
No, sir.
It's orange.
No, sir.
It's like grapefruit.
Alright, it's a grapefruit. It's a grapefruit. Hey guys, if you made it this far into the video, don't forget. Wait. Hey guys, if you made it this far into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend.
Alright, go on.
You could wait till we don't talk to people. What's that? That feel nasty, dog. Wait a minute. I'll talk you from the neck. Wait, Alex. No, that feel nasty, brother. Wait. Ooh, hey. Yeah, alive. A caterpillar. It's a caterpillar. Alright. Alex. It's a caterpillar that brother.
How old people do that caterpillar now?
Cotton. Cotton?
No.
Cotton. Cotton. Oh yes. A cotton this. It's a cotton, right?
Nah.
This is
Got it from your room.
got it from my room.
Yeah.
God, that's me. What's that? I don't know. A sock? No, not a sock. Stupid. No, it's cotton. This dog.
Alright, you feel it.
What is it?
Free.
My room. This come from?
Yeah.
It's a Holly bubbles are way what this is, bro. Alright, I got you now. Yeah, man. Yeah, yes.
Ready?
Go on.
Dog. No, this is a sausage, dog. Is that sausage just
What type of sausage?
Vienna?
No.
Not Vienna sausage.
What type of what animal?
Chicken.
Nope. It's turkey.
Old man. Race. Frankfurters.
That dropped heavy.
Well, this is easy.
Khakis.
Alright.
That's it? You have no more?
Yeah, man, for like 3 more.
Like 3 more?
Yeah.
Alright, just do them and we choose from the clips.
No, these are too easy.
No, wait, you have a couple more. Couple more.
Like,
You have 3 more.
bro.
Alright, guess I want to.
Yeah, you really eating it?
Yeah.
You did cook?
Yeah.
No, bro. That never did feel cook, bro.
Did you cook last year?
I have to feel it up somewhere.
Yeah, please. Just like watch it here.
I went to the bathroom.
God damn it.
It's too easy, bro.
Alright. What is it?
It's a pen.
Yeah, but what color pen? What color pen?
Color pen.
Yeah.
It's a blue pen.
That's black. It's black. You're retarded. Ooh, child. Things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child.
Alright,
Think-
go on.
Things are gonna get brighter. First of all, what? I can't see what that thing it is, you know, brother. I can pick it up.
Yeah, go on.
As a planting. As a planting? Yeah. Probably feel the end part. Probably feel the end part as a planting. That was a weird though. They feel like I don't know. I don't even know. Alright, I got you now.
This is the hardest one.
It's a hard one.
Ready?
Yeah.
Well, I know what this is.
Guess what is it?
The half of our clothes.
No,
Wait.
it's not that. It's a
close pin.
It's a spliff. You have got more?
Yeah, we have one more.
Let's go. This is a mid kill, I kill it dog. I'm not cheat. It ain't there?
No. Wait. Wait.
I'm gonna try here.
Alright, go on.
Did you hear that?
No, there's something in there.
Did you hear that?
No, there's actually something in there.
Alex, ask that question.
No, something in there.
I know what it is.
What?
Nothing.
No,
Yo, Alex, no. Alright, wait. Do you know that I'm not in there?
something in there, bro.
It's a hand. No, okay, fine. No, like that. I'm not eat that. We're done. Quick.
Something in there.
No,
bro.
me give up. Me don't know what.
I promise there's something in
You
there.
tell me what.
Bro, so go and search for the something on you.
No, there.
No, something in there, bro.
Alex! What is a melon seed? A melon seed.
Yo,
You don't say I eat it.
you touch it now, bro.
Let me touch like a million times now. But the thing is, me share the box, I'm going to be here now. Alright, fine, that was hilarious. Alright, the next one. Next one is already. Let's go quick, because they embarrass me.
Oh, the next one in there?
Yeah.
I mean, east side to the east. This one, I know what this is.
What?
This is a fry. This is a sausage. This is a sausage.
Alright, plot twist. I chewed it up. I'm joking, I didn't. I broke. I'm not disgusting now. Soon I do some shit like that. Alright, I have two now. I have to get to two of them.
Yeah, two.
It's the last one. I have to get to two of them.
Alright. If I get to two of them, I win.
Yeah, if I get to two of them.
But I have one more for you after.
Alright,
There's
cool.
one more. It in?
Hello? Alright, go.
I know.
What is that?
So,
No. Which double? Which number?
6.
Yeah, double 6. Alright, next.
This is the ear.
Yeah, it is. I feel very stupid. I feel very stupid.
I'm just scrolling.
Anyways, like, the fun, I don't know why I turned off the fun, but later. Alex, you probably have walk all of the things,
Yeah.
Yeah, eyeglasses, Guys, if you're watching this, I'm sorry to embarrass the HWC squad, the Howard's Road squad. Like, I really felt like I was giving him some hard ones, but gosh darn it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, spread that your friend Howard says tell a friend. Really and truly, I did do a good job. I did do a good job. Alex he was cheating. He was looking under the mask. I find the holes in the mask that he was using. So like, I really win. Alex, you come up with them or no?
Yeah.
No?
I'm going.
It's a mask. I'm the kid. I can't fool with that. I really tried. Clearly Alex won because like I didn't get some of his clearly win. You can go to your phone and close the video, please? Anyway, just don't get for win. You get for win. You hear the box? You won yourself a lucky box. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to a friend. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. My God, you're gonna miss it up.